To Ampareen Lyngdoh lo ong baka pediang ya ka jing syak rembat ka la ai jing khublei ya ka VPP ka belayo jing job. Hadian beladap ban pemnai ka Resol ka Dr. Ampareen ka lo ong baka kwa baka VPP kan la ban pen urlong ya ka jing angnot kum baka thrang. Ka lo ong baka nget bakam dei ya ka ban let shadeli wat hadian ka jing preshitom Jong ka. KNPP ka la banjur ru baka seng ka don kam ban wat ya ki daw hae baka la bakala bat balei baki pait ba ki sngodom ya ka seng.
And I wish the VPP the very best. I wish the VPP will be able to deliver its promise, because it's very difficult in these kinds of situations to have these kinds of wins. But it is more difficult for us to accept this defeat. And I appeal to all in government to accept this defeat. Take it as a challenge. Let us see what we need to do right if everything we've done is wrong. An indication of this kind shows that whatever we have done seems to have gone wrong. We have to soul search. We have to figure this out. And we cannot be hostile and angry. I wish that no member of the government in the MDA will take this the wrong way.
Our West Jante Hills